Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video, but a lot of you guys don't know how to find World of Pets on the App Store. So I'm going to show you. So currently it's not available on Android, but if you have an iPhone, Mac, or PC, you can find the game. So what you have to do is search up Norris Nuts. You can't search up World of Pets because you won't find it. So search up Norris. Oop, my phone almost fell. Search up Norris Nuts on the App Store, and it should be the first one to pop up or the second one. So then I downloaded it, but my phone starts to overheat, so I had to reinstall it, but I'm going to re-download it again and play some more. So yeah, that's how you find the World of Pets on the App Store. If this video was helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!